Hey guys, today we are going further in our solid journey. The last time I was talking about single responsibility rule, the S in the solid, and today we are going to the next letter, O, and we're going to speak about open-close principle. I'm going to read what is it from the internet because I can't remember the actual term. So the open-close principle tells us that objects or entities should be open for extension and closed for modification. What does that mean? That means once we wrote some class or a module, tested it, and moreover, if we trust it in the production, all the changes that we need to perform should be added like an extension, not like modification, exactly that piece of code. And that doesn't apply to bug fixes though. So why should we follow that principle? If the code is working well, we might put a lot of effort into it, into testing, into fixing bugs and so on. So if you will add any changes to that old code, we probably should make a regression testing, retest everything, refix all the bugs, and we probably don't want to waste time like that. So it probably would be a good idea to add a new code instead of adding changes to the old one. A couple of words about SRP and OCP. SRP, single responsibility rule, is more about planning architecture ahead, and open-close principle is more about backward compatibility and the adding changes to version 2+. So let's get to our to-do app from the previous video. I remember we have a UI, we have a database and server that manage all the interconnection. We are working on server side. So let's assume we have a to-do service and to-do class, that is entity, and this is our version 1 code. And let's assume we have a request to add one more entity, it's called event, that basically a to-do but with a date as a new field. And the new business logic is gonna be about checking the date is not in the past before saving it. Once again, the brute force solution could be like that. We add a lot of new logic in the old code, and we probably will face a lot of new bugs, and we should retest the old code, retest the old functionality that already worked on the production, so with the wasting of time. Instead, we should lock our old code, never change it, and add a new class, event, like an extension of to-do class, and event service as an extension of to-do service. So we can add our new business logic in the event service and delegate the old business logic that shouldn't be changed in the old to-do service. So that way we didn't duplicate the code and we didn't change our old code. So the open-close principle is completely followed up here. So if you like that brief explanation of the open-close principle, check the solid 1 video about single responsibility principle and subscribe to have an update about third solid video that I'm already filming. Bye!